You'll need dates, paper towel, a cup or jar of water, and a Ziploc bag. First, remove the seeds from the dates. Then remove any skin or fruit left on the seed, and soak it overnight. This helps speed up germination. On one half of a paper towel, place the seeds apart and folded. Then lightly wet the tissue. Place the toilet paper into the Ziploc, and leave in a dark spot for a few weeks. Once the seeds sprout, place them into a pot of soil and water them. Dates prefer light, sandy soils, and very hot temperatures. Make sure to bring the plants indoors when temps go near freezing. Make sure to give the plants as much sunlight as possible.